What's good with it, y'all? I got my dog with me, Lil Peanut. Y'all probably seen him on the little workout videos we was doing stuff like that. Well, today we got something special. What we finna do is, he told me when I picked him up, we was just finna kick. He told me that he wanted to paint. So, what we finna do, we finna go get him some Nike slide, whatever he pick out. Then he gonna paint them. And if he don't like them, what he did to him, I go ahead and fix it for him. What you got to say about that?
Let's get it.
You heard him? Let's do it. Come on, man. We finna roll, y'all. Finna go get. I don't know exactly where we gonna get these jump from. I might go to Nike, but then again, that is a good amount of driving. So I might go to finish line. But the thing is, the finish line is literally like a half a mile up the road from Nike. So it's like, I don't know. I don't know who gonna have the best selection, but we gonna see. Hey, for the paintbrush. I forgot what it is. I forgot what it was. Which ones you gonna pick out, bro? Yeah. Y'all need to get. Yeah, I think. Yeah, this is what I'm gonna choose right here. Yeah. Alright, we just walked up out of Hobby Lobby. I know it's bright, y'all. I know. Bear with me. I forgot that it's Academy Sports right next to the Hobby Lobby. So we're finna stop up in here real quick and see if we can get these little slides right fast. You know, this is gonna be the section you in next year, right?
What?
Football section. My dog say he gonna get on that field next year. Hopefully he ain't flogging me, y'all know how much I love football, how much I would love to see him out there, and how much I would love to get him drippy if he cold. Ain't no sense in being drippy if you ain't cold. You know you. What you thinking, bro? Remember, you gonna paint these, so you can make it whatever color you want, and I can show you how to do that. But hold on, let me see. Oh, nah. Okay, so unfortunately, Academy didn't have his size. Had some that, you know what I'm saying, he was thinking about getting or whatever, but no thanks. Young brother has a smaller foot, so it might be a little difficult to find them in like places like that to where, you know, they sell some of everything. So we're gonna go to this shoe. It's actually I think it's either a shoe show or a shoe department right across the street. So I'm saving that gas. Y'all know I use premium. So man, let's see what we can find. What you think?
Okay.
Oh my God. Feel that material. The material really don't even. You put them jumps on the wrong foot, bro. You good, bro? Oh. Okay. Young brother wears a size 3. But they only had 4s. So he just tried, mama. And the 4s fit. Greatness. Now let's go on and get to it. I'm debating on getting me a pair. I'm debating. I need to calm down. I just bought a few of them. So, success. We got the flip-flops. We got the paint. We got the brushes. All we need now, Brother Peanut. What are you going to paint?
I'm gonna put some slides in. I'm gonna just try my best to, you know, do something with them.
He said he gonna try his best. Now, the design, brother.
So for the design, I'm gonna like, I don't really know.
He doesn't know.
I'm gonna do something with them.
He said he gonna do something. We gonna see. All right. So, back at the crib, man. Now, we got the flip-flops, right? Young Peanut, the baby shooter. he over there in the big dog spot, man. Hold on, his dog is a mother, man. It's all good, like it. Be in the big dog spot, ready to go ahead and paint these. Oh, snap on him. ready to paint these guys up. Now I'ma ask him, Peanut, do you watch my videos?
I mean, no.
Oh snap! Oh snap! My own people. I told y'all who it be. It be your own people, man. Well, I guess I won't bother asking you this question, but I'm still gonna ask. What's the first thing you do when you want to paint a shoe?
Whatever comes to mind. I don't know.
Uh-oh.
I can't think of nothing right now.
Uh-oh. Oh my goodness. Y'all spam it up in the comments, man. The first thing you gotta do when you want to paint a shoe is you gotta prep a shoe. And what goes into the prep process is, well, for these, well, we probably gonna say these. First, you gotta get a cotton ball and acetone. It's a factory finish that's on these flip-flops that protects it from getting, you know, scratched up and all that kind of stuff. Makes the life last longer for the flip-flops as well. So you gotta take that coating off so the paint can adhere to the straight material. What I do is take a step further. I do that and I sand it, and then I go ahead and paint it. But for the sake of time or for the sake of these being flip-flops, all we're gonna do today is the acetoning process. That's what we finna teach young Peanut, the young baby shooter. Okay, young Peanut, young baby shooter. Hold on just a second, my brother. We are filming greatness right now. Young Addy right there. There you go. But young Peanut the shooter, what we doing next, man? We gonna go ahead and paint these guys.
Yeah, let's get it.
He said let eat. So what you say there, young Peanut?
I'm gonna try to do like a little galaxy custom thing, like use purple and blue.
Okay. That was the only colors you want to use?
I might use, yeah.
You know, we got some paints. You know what I'm saying? With that galaxy, it's a few of them colors. You got a darker blue. You got you already got the light blue, purple, dark purple. It's a few different hues of blue you can use. Different hues of what's it like? Pink that you can use. But you know, got like myself, young galaxy print connoisseur. I use an array of colors. Colors that ain't even in the galaxy. Yes, Lord. Yeah, yeah. I just gotta drive. I'm on my way to the top. I made a way through the plot. The rainy days, heavy drop. Yeah, unfold the line that was tall. Refold the line that was ball. Hide your hand and throw a cross. You know we all take a fall. Okay, y'all. He say he finished. Y'all check him out. Looking good. Looking good. Alright, now comes the interesting part. So, did they come out exactly how you wanted them?
Not really, but they look good too.
Okay. What are the parts that you feel like you didn't accomplish, like you didn't execute properly, huh?
Probably the sides or something. I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. What about the overall design? Is it exactly how you wanted it?
I don't know, it's not exactly how I wanted it, but it turned out to, you know, go well.
Okay. What's missing?
What's missing?
Yeah, in your opinion, you said they didn't come out exactly how you wanted, so?
I don't know, I could have had, like, you know, the white paint. I could have, like, sprinkled that on it. Made it like a little galaxy more. And made, like, the top parts more darker or something. Okay.
Well, with you saying that, do you want to go back in on it and want me to show you some stuff?
Yes, sir.
Alright. We finna get to it. The young brother said that he wanted it a little more dark around the swoosh, right?
Yes, sir.
Around the swoosh. And you wanted to speckle the white on there, right?
Yes, sir.
Alright. So, with that being said, I'm about to show him a little trick and show y'all a little trick on how to accomplish that. Alright. How did you learn about this?
I watched the YouTube video and...
Oh, bingo! He learned about the splotchy sponge method on YouTube. So, I'm going to use the same thing that he used. I'm not finna use no airbrush, none of that kind of stuff. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I put a little bit on there right there. Wipe a little bit of that off, get the excess off. Because he said he wanted it to be a little bit dark. So, what I'm finna do, I'm going to aim up in this part where he said he wanted it. And I'm just going to put a little bit of it on there. And I'm going to just dab. So, if I would have put all that paint on there, actually need less paint on there now. It would have been a little bit overpowering. And then, see how it's a little bit darker up in there. And it's actually a little dark up in here. But I know what he's talking about. So, what you want to do is, this is navy blue. I just took a little dab of that navy blue. And I still got a little bit of dab of the purple. And I'm going to hit that with some just a little bit of that navy blue. Wipe it off. Now we finna go in a little bit more with this navy blue. See how it's getting darker? And it's fading. You still got that little hue of purple, but it's fading towards this swoosh. Do it again. Same thing. Boom. Wipe it off. Blue. Wipe it down. Alright, we got it a little darker. That's how we gonna get it darker. I'm gonna go through the rest of this and, you know what I'm saying, do it according to how you want it. Now, we did some touch-ups and they're looking even better now. So, said you want the speck. Now I'm gonna show you the little sprinkle splicker splacker. Okay. We good now, y'all. We good. This is guaranteed. Alright, what you wanna do? Just pour a little bit on that guy. Just a little bit. Right there. And then just flick that guy. Boom. Boom. Yeah, just that simple. Refold the line that was bald. Hide your hand and throw a cross. You know we all take a fall. You know we all get involved. You know we all get involved. Please don't play with them. I ain't gotta call them no hit them. When they find out, bet they come in and get you. I just want that paper, not a second, not a minute late.